There's a new cafe and wala siyang pinto because meron lang siyang butas sa dingding. Mamonaco Coffee is a new cafe in Quezon City and you order mula sa butas na yan. And doon din lalabas ang order. Super creative and I am absolutely obsessed, impressed, and in love with the concept. Bihira ang ganito ka-creative na cafe and bold na business owner and we need more of them. And I love their concept so much, napilitan akong mag-delete ng Mobile Legends app para lang magkaroon ng memory yung phone ko para ma-video and ma-share ko to sa inyo. There's a popular saying called hole in the wall to describe a small place. This one literally has a hole on the wall. Nadaanan ko ito dahil papunta ako sa Chickies along Scout Rallios para mag-lunch na by the way, one of the most delicious and unique fried chicken sila kasi parang sinigang kasi may sour na batuan na ingredient. Do check them out, kain kayo doon, and then coffee kayo dito. It's just across the street from Chickies. The way you order here is to get a card of the item, and then get a number, and then bigay sa butas. I swear, obsessed talaga ako sa butas na ito. By the way, bawal i-video ang loob ng butas. I ordered the following: matcha latte, masarap and fragrant, hindi bitter; melon milk tea, favorite ko ang melon flavor and masarap ito, lasang-lasa; sakura latte, super unique, same strawberry color initially pero hindi siya strawberry ha. Papuntang flowery ang taste so baka manibago kayo kasi ako nanibago. Pero it's one of the most unique coffee combo flavors I've tasted and we're trying siya dahil bago ang flavor. Sana hindi na lang nila ihalo when they serve it kasi mas maganda sa photos ang layering ng colors sana. Then finally, Chizu Taro. Picky ako sa taro flavor and this succeeded. Need mo lang haluin yung ilalim para malasa. The cheese foam was delicious, the taro flavor delicious and thankfully pronounced kasi hate ko ang taro ng iba, too subtle. FYI, walang seating ito ha, take out lang lahat. Kita nyo naman, nagpapakyut na ako sa sidewalk. And let's be kind, soft opening pa siya and under construction pa ang harap. Pero open na siya today, August 3, not sure till what time. Close ng Sunday tomorrow, then open sila starting Monday, August 5. Balita ko sa staff starting 10 in the morning. Please message them sa IG to be sure. Ngayon lang yata ako na-excite again sa creativity ng isang cafe and creative and bold business owners like the ones behind Mamonaco Coffee deserve our support. PS, paglalabas ng order mula sa butas, get your phone video ready para hindi pa ulit-ulit sa staff. Nakakapagod din for them. Let's be considerate. Click follow for the next story.